Alright, jumping to the last level. Alright, kidding. K92 Mining on the TSX Venture. Another stageanalysis.net. US stock screeners. Guys, go check that out. Top picks there. The watch list is just a watch list, but that's the goal of the watch list, right? Get ahead of the game. See how it's building up. Put your alerts in and get ready to jump. Hold on. What am I doing on the weekly? Let's go on the... Whoa, what's that? It's junk. All right, let's move. Scoot over. Black area. Not a lot of data on the monthly. Where's my monthly defined support? 43 cents, just about. Or lower, 42 cents. Where's my monthly defined breakout? Remember, patterns within patterns. He had one here. Breakout this candle here. He had a 2-month consolidation here. Breakout right here. And I believe we could have some important support, resistance right here. Guys. Look at that. And maybe that's it. The launching pattern, giving a target to the next breakout line. And after that, maybe some consolidation, pullback, then another breakout. For the bigger moves, patterns, building patterns on the weekly. And when you have an uptrend pattern, building in a bigger uptrend pattern, it keeps going up. You could pretty much guess that the trend is in your favor, going upwards. And it's the same thing on the weekly. You have the Stan Weinstein stage 2 breakout, and then another breakout after that pullback, and then another breakout. And after 2-3 breakouts, the price action has moved 40-50% off the bottom. And the trend's the moving average really starting to go upwards. And that's where you want to be. So this is how it looks like on the weekly. Imagining the future, possible further moves, least probable ones. The takeoff patterns, launching, going to hit some walls. Previous support, turn resistance, outlining a bigger pattern. Could even go to a round number close to 1. So right now, monthly candle, if the monthly candle closes, the June monthly candle closes above 82 cents, then we have that implied measure move confirmed all the way to $1. And after that, we just have to wait and see. So there could be, when we zoom in on the weekly, might expect to pull back around the $1 area on that monthly defined resistance. Back to the breakdown line of 82, hopefully on low volume. And then to the moon, off to go do another test. All right, guys, let's go zoom in on the weekly. Apply Stan Weinstein stage analysis. Check that out. Let me replace. Let me turn off. Remove all trend lines. Stage 4. Stage 1. And you can even see here. Pat, look at the candles. Just look at the volume candles. Look at that. This one here. Twice the average volume of the previous 4 weeks. What happens? Look at that candle here. Breakout. Either here. Or I drew it here. It could even said, look, I have a breakout here. So right now, even that's the first breakout, guys. First breakout candle is right here. Above a 30-week moving average, above a horizontal breakout line. That's a precursor move. After that, sideways move, consolidation on low volume, especially that red candle here. That's just, it's not a big red candle, big sell-off. It's just a price went down on low volume. And after that, another breakout. You could have even said here, have it, what stands as a continuation buy, continuation breakout. You had another one here. Look at that volume, twice the average volume. Very, very, very healthy stuff, guys. Very healthy. And you could even said, like we know on the monthly, launching pattern, make a bigger pattern, launch off, pull back. Look at that. Even here, nice green cut volume. Volume, contracting volume, especially the red ones. You would have put an alert right here, close to the break, just above the breakout line. And when you get that hit, then you know that you're having an opportunity to get in on the pullback. It's on contracting volume, confirms. And you could have even waited for the next following candle to make sure it's green, red, red, green. Then you know that that was a bottom. And off you go to the races, guys. Are you in? Is this green? That was a gap down. And off it goes again, guys. And that's where we are today. Look at that. Another breakout. Wait. Okay, RSI was going upwards for that candle. For that second continuation breakout. RSI was going halfway point, going upwards. And this candle here, RSI going upwards. The only thing here, okay, this is for the contracting volume, is that volume candle right here. It's the week's not ended. Tomorrow is Thursday. I'd like that candle to Thursday and Friday's volume there to go at least twice the average volume of these previous 4 weeks, guys. And then you could enter right here, guys. It's time. It's this week. Or is it? Doing the Stanway it is. And right now, you're above the Ichimoku cloud defined resistance. So this is super clean, guys. There's no Ichimoku cloud defined resistance above you. That red cloud, you're going above it. See in the future, it's already projecting the support. And that's usually uptrend. Go like that. Go ahead and remove Ichimoku cloud, clean that up. And breakout, base, breakout. See the 30 moving average trying to go upwards. Pull back, getting close to the 30 moving average. Getting close to the breakout line. So this is a good entry right here, guys. Wait for 2 days. Wait for make sure the volume picks up towards the end of the week. Go check the monthly again. What did I say for the monthly? We had that breakout here. And then if the monthly close, yeah. Okay, so that's what could happen now. You could also wait for the monthly candle close above, right here, above 82. So you'd have to wait a few weeks. The end of this week, maybe 2 more weeks for the end of the candle, and make sure you get that close above that. So that's the ultimate confirmation of the uptrend. You already had confirmation though, because you had the breakout here. Yeah, there's that one right there. Guys, they're not perfectly harmonized time-wise. So what happens if you want to wait for the monthly candle close? Well, who knows what's going to happen this week, next week, right? Maybe even by the end of the week, the price action is going to revert back down here. Or it could go up and then even start pulling back the next 2 weeks. And then maybe you'll have an occasion to enter on the pullback on contracting volume, and the price action will still be above the monthly defined breakout line. So you'll get your monthly defined breakout, which is really key to confirm that the trend is in your favor, that you have that momentum behind you. And hopefully the price action here either doesn't go up too high, or you'll be able to wait and play on the pullback the following weeks after the end of June. So right now we have to wait for the volume. Then if ever you want to enter, you could take half a position and take the other half when it pulls back. But ideally, if you're really patient, you have to wait for the monthly candle close above the 82 cents just to make sure that You have that wind in your sails. I know it's boring. It sucks. Emotions. I want to get in. I want to pull the trigger. Well, those monthly candles, breakouts, defined monthly candle confirmed breakouts have saved me a lot of whipsaws. A lot of 1% of my NAV saved. And it's all the ones that you save, that you protect your capital, that makes you not have to reach for 10 baggers. Remember those terms, those penny stock on 10 baggers, or these Hail Marys to end up even or have a good year. Each time you save 1% of your NAV, that's 1% you don't have to gain later on. And that's it, guys. Just wait. But it's looking nice and promising in construction. Stage 2 in progress. Continuation, just refining the buying process. Make sure we get in with everything in our favor. All right. Ciao, guys. Do 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 do.